Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial insights. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below for your convenience. Please remember this video reflects my own personal experience. Here at Rome Tips, we're comparing two banking giants, Goldman Sachs versus Regions Bank. Which one comes out on top? Let's dive in and find the best fit for your financial needs. Goldman Sachs, a powerhouse in investment banking and wealth management, offers a suite of financial products through its Marcus by Goldman Sachs brand. These include high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDS, personal loans, and more. A key highlight is their Marcus savings accounts, which boast competitive interest rates without the burden of monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. This makes them an attractive option for those looking to maximize savings growth with minimal effort. Goldman Sachs caters particularly well to investors and individuals seeking wealth management services or aiming to achieve higher returns on their savings. Their focus on long-term growth, investment portfolios, and tailored financial advice positions them as a prime choice for those pursuing professional wealth-building strategies. In contrast, Regions Bank operates as a full-service regional bank, primarily serving the southeastern United States. They provide a wide array of banking services, encompassing checking and savings accounts, home loans, business banking solutions, and investment products. Regions Bank is recognized for its extensive branch network and comprehensive customer service. They offer services such as Regions Digital Banking, which provides convenient account access and features like mobile deposits and bill pay. For those who value a traditional banking experience with a personal touch, Regions Bank presents a reliable option. They also provide specialized accounts like Regions Life Green Checking, which offers customer rewards based on specific criteria. To summarize, Goldman Sachs excels as a choice for individuals seeking high-return savings and investment opportunities, particularly those with a focus on wealth management. On the other hand, Regions Bank is a better fit for those who prioritize a comprehensive and user-friendly banking experience, coupled with robust customer support. For more detailed information, be sure to check out the product links provided in the description below.